Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to update the Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Keeping Opera GX updated is very important for security, performance, and new features as well as bug fixes. So let's get started. First, open Opera GX. Then click on the menu icon in the top left corner. In the drop down menu, hover mouse over help and then click on about Opera GX. This page will automatically check for updates. If a new version is available, it will begin downloading automatically. Please wait while the update completes. The time required depends on your internet speed. Once the update is installed, you will see a relaunch now button. Click on it to restart the browser and apply the update. After restarting, your Opera GX browser will be updated to the latest version. If your browser is already up to date, you will see a message confirming that Opera is up to date. That's it. Now this is how you can easily update Opera GX on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows tips and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.